What is put on here? So this is an experiment. I want to bake and make like little biscuits, like almond biscuits, almond and rye flour. I want to see what it looks like. I'm hoping to do something. You know what I ate in Brussels? A little biscuit thing and fruit on top. So my idea was to try and do that, but I'm two completely different ingredients. I have leftover almonds and I thought, maybe I could try bake this a little bit normal flour, which I use the rye flour. So yesterday we finished at 983 pounds. I was going to say 1,000 pounds. That would be good. On our challenge of beating, last week's sales of 1,500 over 2 days. I do it myself. So today we need to make at least over 500 to beat last week's. So here, my test thing, biscuit. It's a little bit hard. Not much of a uniform like on top. Doesn't look like nice and just a square type of thing. I mean, I didn't smooth it out, so I shouldn't expect that. I can't. I forgot I have a bite actually. I need to put the cream first on top. What this? Put on here. Lovely. And then some apples. Remember, this is just experiment. We're not expecting perfection on the first try. But I'm hoping the biscuit is good. Hey, don't fall down. Come on, man. Anyway, that's enough apples. My mouth is watering before I even get in. So we're gonna try and see. No, man! Come on! Don't drop it. Alright, let's move it out of the way. I don't want anything to fly out in there. So let's have a bite and feel it. Oh, hang on, wait. I think I need to try just the biscuit on its own. There's something about this biscuit. It's a flavor. It reminds me of Mozambique when I was a kid. This is crazy. Like, this is amazing how flavor can take you really back. Like really, like childhood memories. I remember this flavor. There is a biscuit we used to get. This is a funny story. When I was a kid, when I was ill, my dad used to take us to the hospital and so. And then there was his godfather, I would say, she's working in the hospital, and he used to give her these biscuits. Really crumbly biscuit. They're really delicious. This reminds me of it. Wow. And put a little bit more cream and an apple. This is good actually. So what I need to do, I need to work on the biscuit getting more steady and looking good. but the flavor is there, especially if it takes me home. Wow, wow. I've been hustling hard. Yeah. Hello.
A sourdough, please.
Sure.
Look at that white car.
Oh yeah, that's nice. You get the iPad in the car. It's in the bag.
Wants a Ferrari when he grows up, does he?
It does, yes. Sourdough.
2 cinnamon,
2
please.
buns. Sure.
And a sausage roll. That's it.
2 buns.
Actually, 2 cinnamon bun and 2 honey chocolate,
2
please.
buns. It's delivered.
Great, thank you very much. Bye.
Cinnamon buns and a sausage roll.
2 buns. Wanna go on the seat?
Sausage roll.
This is sausage roll.
A pound of chocolate and 2 cinnamon buns, thank you.
Sausage roll. And 2 buns.
Yeah. That's what I need?
Yes.
Oh,
The bottom.
got it.
Yes.
Perfect, thank you. Great. Have a good day.
Thank you too, sir.
Okay.
Describe anything's apples.
2 almond, 2 powdered chocolate. Almond.
Sorry, mate. 2
Almond.
honey chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, not
2 powdered chocolate.
Yeah, and an apple. I'll grab a
Dennis.
sausage roll
Use
as well.
this one. That's a strawberry Denny. Is that strawberry Denny?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Same thing. An apple. Did you say something else?
Yeah, sausage roll.
Sausage roll.
Is that sourdough white or
No,
just
single
white?
normal. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
So you got them all. White sausage roll, 2 pound chocolate,
Yeah.
and 1 apple crumble.
2 pounds of flour,
Yeah. There you go, sir.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Hey, hey,
Hello, almond
Yes, please. I'm going to grab a sourdough today
as well. Sure.
Um,
1 almond and sourdough.
and then banana.
Cinnamon muffin.
Cinnamon.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'll try all those.
Yeah.
Cheers,
Thank
mate.
you,
Have a
sir.
good one, yeah.
Thank you too.
Catch you later.
Cheers. Bloomer.
I'll have one of those.
This one.
Yeah, thank
Sure.
you.
There you go. For everything.
Thank you. And how much are the almond?
4,
Yeah.
4, 5, 380, 380. Marvelous. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So there's a few specials. Well, apple crumble. I don't know if you tried this one.
Okay.
And cinnamon and banana muffins. And the rest, you know, I think. Yes.
Ooh. I'll get 2 chocolate brownies.
2 brownies. You like the edges?
Sorry?
Do you like the edges?
The what?
The edges.
Oh, the edges. Well, the kids eat it, so
All right.
I'm sure they will never complain. So, 3 cinnamon swirl. How old is he?
9. How old is your son?
I've got 3 kids. My eldest is 17 now.
No, well, you got 17 years. They don't look like you're 17 years old.
I'm getting older, yeah. I'm getting older.
They don't look it.
Good day.
That's it.
See you later.
See here. Good morning.
Morning. Can I have one of your lovely almond croissants, please?
Of course. Now, D17 is.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Good day.
Thank you.
What flavour is that?
Apple crumble Dennis. 3, 4.
Plus
as well here?
Yes.
Or no? Yes,
Yes,
perfect.
we
My
do.
son loves this sausage roll.
Ah, thank
Do
you.
you want some sausage
There
roll?
you go.
as well? Perfect.
Hi.
Thank you.
Done?
Thank you.
Good assistant.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Grumpy, thank you.
Good, good. Hello. I'm good. How are you guys doing?
Okay.
Yeah, good, good.
A criminal.
I say criminal.
He's,
That's it.
he's coming back soon.
It's coming.
He's coming back, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
2 almonds.
Alright, boys, what do you want?
Do you know? You got it. You got everything in
Yeah,
there.
that was for me, Sabrina, and then up to the boys, they can order their own.
Okay.
Yeah, they love it.
They love it.
Okay, 2 almonds. So give you 2 almonds, Marley.
Yeah. I've done 2 almonds.
2 sausage rolls.
Lyndon wants a brownie.
Do you want a brownie, Ken? 2 brownies, then.
Very what you going for?
Sausage
Yeah, 2 sausage rolls. 1, 2 sausage
And 2 the muffin.
rolls. Wait, the muffin.
Yeah. 1
Yeah.
apple. 1
Yeah.
pain au chocolat.
Yeah.
1 and 1 cinnamon. So you're adding more. Is it 2?
Yeah,
Oh, what?
two brownies.
Roasted sausage roll and pan as well. Dave as well.
2 brownies.
2 brownie now, yes.
Sausage roll and a pan.
And sausage roll. And a pain au chocolat.
2 sausage roll.
2 more sausage roll. Who's gonna eat all of this?
Between us, we'll get through it. I think.
Yeah, and one for our neighbour as well.
Yeah,
Cool.
And a pan, another pan.
Yes, we need to make sure this is correct. Pain au chocolat.
Yeah, put it out. Almonds gonna do that.
Yeah,
Almond is there, 2 almonds
I
there.
think that's it.
You're gonna have to
So
eat
double
it.
check.
You're doing a good job.
yeah, yours will
2
be
pain au
separate
chocolat.
though in the back.
Yeah, there was ones, there's 2. Sausage roll, there's 2. 2 brownies, there's 2. There was brownies before, was it? No, so that's it. 2. No. Yeah, there's 4 brownies now. 4 brownies. Cinnamon. Apple. That. Well done.
Well done. Good job, man.
Good job. Ah,
That's now, yeah?
yes, sir.
Thank you. And then she's got her own order.
Yeah. I've pre-ordered it. It's under Jasmine.
Come on.
No, this is.
We're working today.
You're working, yes. And it's chocolate brownie,
Yeah.
cinnamon,
Yeah.
sausage roll,
Yeah.
pain au chocolat.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Why your one didn't work?
I don't know. I should have let her do it.
It's very strange.
With technology, sometimes I'm not good. I should have just let the young one.
Yeah, but it was very strange because someone else had similar thing.
Oh, really?
So I think it wasn't just you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Did you send?
Yep.
Yeah, something.
Did you make
Which one is modeling?
Thank you.
Which one is modeling?
They all do it.
They all
She's
do
the
it.
one that's just gone to the
Just-
adult module.
I see.
Jasmine, yeah.
Ah, how's it going?
It's very good. Thank
Good.
you.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah,
That's
it's
good.
going well.
That's more
Do we
important.
have enough for L'Oreal? She wanted a brownie and sausage roll.
Is there enough?
Is there enough?
Now she's got to get her another one.
So another brownie and sausage roll.
Yeah.
Another brownie.
I just realised. Sorry, brownie.
Well,
How are you though? Are you okay?
yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Good. Busy?
Yeah.
Early, look.
Yeah, it's busier than I expected today, actually.
No?
Yes.
You're good.
Well done.
Thank
See, I saw you did a collab with EE. That was
yeah,
cool.
Yeah, that was cool.
Do you know what? That's the second time we've worked with them.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, they're really, really nice actually.
Yeah.
And we really recommend their services.
Mm.
Yeah,
It's not even
internet's
just
so good.
like, yeah,
Yeah,
it
they're
is
really
so
good.
fast
Yeah. Super
across the
fun.
whole house as well.
Yeah.
I mean, EE now is with BT, isn't it? They're working together.
I think
BT,
they are,
part
yeah.
of the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And their TV stuff as well. You don't
Yeah.
have to leave the app, which is good. So you know, like sometimes you've got to jump between different places. Everything's in
Yeah.
one
Ah,
place.
so like EE. I mean, YouTube and
Everything's
what-
built
everything.
in,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's
So
very
Ah,
it
so that's
makes
clever.
it easier. It's
Very
like
good.
one login.
Yeah.
You don't have like a login for Netflix. or
Oh,
anything.
so
Yeah.
that's smart move
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very smart.
So
move.
yeah, try it out.
You're selling to me now. Okay, I see.
Oh, lovely to
Yeah,
see
lovely
you.
to see you.
No, nice to see you guys.
When
Yeah.
you come to London again.
Yeah, let us
Yes,
know.
I need to update because I don't know if I will come now because I'm moving soon.
Are you?
The bag will be moving around here. Like
Right.
I'm out away from here,
Okay.
from 7 because like today I drove like 4-3. I go into Bake,
Yeah.
I come to South, and I go back and clean
Right.
and come back home. So it's
Right.
like
It's a lot.
it's a lot of driving. So
Yeah.
I decided to move around here and then
Yeah.
so I'm gonna move. Hopefully the end of the I will have to move
Yeah.
end of this month. But
Yeah.
so thinking come to London now is like 8.
Or either
There's
way,
not much time.
we'll be coming
Yeah.
up here.
But I want to come to London then before maybe November again. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
I need to come back.
Yeah.
It's good. It was good, London.
We won't hold you up.
Well,
mate.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Take care. See you
Nice
later.
to see you.
Well done.
Bye bye. See ya. Good morning.
Of one of each.
Sure. Banana and almond. No. And brown. That's it. I like your tattoo.
Oh, thank
That's
you.
quite cool. Detail.
Yeah.
Star sign, isn't it?
It's my kids, yeah, initials and star sign and things like that.
That's cool. Done. Yeah, how much is it now? Because I'm doing a challenge this weekend to beat last 343. So that's the 343. Let's see. By the time we finish, we're gonna beat over 500 because we need to make over 500 today to beat last week. Let's see, 340. 300 what?
343.70.
Okay, we'll see.
That's today's sale.
343 just today. Yes, cranberry water. So. Is that everything?
Yeah.
So that's yes, 550. It's good, I must say.
Did you make a boat this morning to do it?
Yes?
I'm going for a crumble.
Oh, an apple crumble and a cinnamon bun.
Sure.
Yeah, just reuse that, don't worry about it.
Sure?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. 850.
Sold out early today.
Yes, yes. It was good, yeah, it was good. I didn't expect it to be this
Yeah.
crazy. That was good.
Yeah, friend.
Thank you. Wow, let's find out. Where are we? We're on 594, which means we've beaten last week's sale. Yee! That was good. But I still have some stuff. 5 rolls, 1 apple crumble, 4 brown. Hey, sir.
Morning, Leo.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Good.
You?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm not Valerie King, but I'm collecting for my wife.
Hey, Valerie King, yes.
You still come down from the seminary?
I did, yes. This is the last month.
Last month.
Yeah, doing the drives.
So you bought something down here?
So I've got 2 apples and 1 pound chocolate. 22.80, please, sir.
Alright. Cheers, thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you too.
And keep cool.
Keep cool, yes. So yeah, I mean, this is it. This was good. Again next week. Ooh. But yeah, thank you for watching. And if you're new, please subscribe. And if you're old, you're here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you at the next one. Peace.